In this video we will see the first step of PLL, and after doing this OLL, all the colors on the top layer are same now. So after this we will see if on all the sides if we have any pair of headlight. So in this side this and this are not same, so we don't have a headlight of pair headlight. This is also in this side we have this pair of headlight, two headlights of same color. This is also not same, the headlight colors are not same. So find a headlight, two headlights which have same color. This is blue and blue headlight, and bring it on that color side. So if it is blue and blue, then bring it on the blue side like this. Now hold the cube so that this match side should be on the back like this, and then do R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2, and see, after doing this we will have a situation where all the sides have headlights. So see, we have red headlights, this is red and red, this is green and green, orange and orange, and blue and blue. So let's match these like this, and out of these four you will have a side in which all the three pieces are solved. So this is the first step of PLL. We need to reach a stage where all the sides have two headlights of same color like this, green and green, red and red, and then orange and orange, and one of the side is completely solved. In the next video we will see how to now finally solve this cube using PLL. Thank you.